Okay, so I've actually redone this intro two times at this point. I really want to nail it because I really don't want to do it a third time. But here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna look at a Minolta and we're gonna look at a disposable camera. We're gonna see which one's better. Seems kind of obvious which one would be better, but I like making videos and I want to see actually which one would be better. So my guess, before we sneak any peeks on our put our peepers on those pictures, is that the disposable is actually better than the Minolta, which is, I guess, would make sense because like the disposable is kind of pre-built. The Minolta kind of gives you that range to play around with it, the kind of range to kind of change the aperture, the shutter speed, the ISO. Nah, not the ISO, because your film is kind of controlled by that, so it's a little embarrassing. But yeah, let's go ahead and delve into the footage that I got from Aberdeen and go ahead and sneak a little peek at what the difference between the two are. Recording?
Yeah.
Nice. This is like the hardest part right here. Just loading the phone.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man. Just stop. Just stop it.
Stop it. Get some help.
Perfect.
Got it.
Seeing shorty, she was crazy.